top Google Pixel 7 Pro cases under $60. Alphabet-owned Google is under the spotlight to release several devices soon, including Google Pixel 9 series. But the series' 2-year younger variant, Pixel 7 Pro, is still considered an ideal choice for budget-bound individuals. It's a fantastic investment that has to be protected to the fullest extent possible. If you're concerned about it, then Gad Insider has put together a list of excellent case solutions that are superbly made from premium materials tailored to cater to your unique requirements. Here are some of the best Pixel 7 cases. Caseology Parallax. Caseology Parallax is a premium option which shouldn't be avoided while purchasing a Google Pixel 7 Pro case. It's been a champion since its release because of its best portability. Especially if your hands frequently get sweaty, then this Hexacube pattern case is the perfect choice for you. Available at just $18 instead of $27 on Amazon. dbrand Grip Case. If you're willing to splurge and looking for a visually appealing case, then get your hands on the dbrand Grip Case for Pixel 7 Pro. It arrives in a pretty aggressive skin design, enveloped in a comfortable protective layer which is easy to grasp. Now available at $50 instead of $70 on its official store. Bellroy Leather Case. Bellroy is renowned for introducing awe-inspiring models, available in a premium leather exterior and several color variants. You can buy from Amazon and save $17, as it's available for just $38 instead of $55.